Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get infinite night vision in Minecraft Bedrock. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, you gotta make sure that your world or world setting got its cheats enabled. Okay? Now, once that's done, you can now then go ahead and click on create or save settings. Now, just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, open up the chat. Okay? And then just type down /effect. Okay, space at S to target yourself, space night underscore vision, space infinite, space 0, space true. Okay, hit on enter. Here you have it. Gave night vision an infinite duration. That's basically it. That's how simple it is to get infinite night vision in Minecraft Bedrock. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.